Hello, this is David Everest, Secretary of Mining for Twin Cedar Mining District, Township and Unincorporated City and Mining Claim. I'm here today to see about. I got a letter from the court of the U.S. Court of Appeals, and I got one last week from the Ninth Circuit, signed by the clerk as well. I don't have a copy of that in front of me because the person that brought me my mail didn't bring that one with me. This is just a mandate accordance with the judgment entered in on August 5th, 2014, pursuant to Rule 41A of the Federal Rules of Procedure, formally mandating hereby issued. Well, all that order that was issued was from the Ninth Circuit of Court of Appeals, dismissing the case and sending it back for an en banc hearing with the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit. So, Mr. Daniel E. OToole, you're impersonating a judge because under Black's Law and Webster's Dictionary, a clerk of the court is a record keeper, and they don't have any jurisdiction. And the only one that can issue orders for orders or mandates is a judge with jurisdiction. A judge without jurisdiction can't even sign an order. Now, since you signed this order mandating a previous order that was just dismissing it from the Ninth Circuit, and that you haven't dismissed it from the Federal Circuit because that order doesn't cover the Federal Circuit, it only covers the Ninth Circuit. The Federal Circuit Court, I'm still waiting for an en banc hearing, a notification, because see, I can't be denied an en banc thing because an en banc is a full review of the full Federal Circuit. That's either 9 or 11 judges, and if you get I have to have they have to have a plurality to dismiss it, and so it takes a vote from 9 or 11 judges, and there has to be a hearing on it before they can just summarily throw this case away. So Daniel E. OToole and the clerk of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, or the Ninth Circuit out of San Francisco, you two clerks are impersonating a judge that has the authority to sign orders. I hereby place you under arrest under federal and state laws, making this an informational complaint that you are summoned to come to my court, and you out here at my claim, where we'll have a jury trial with 12 minors to decide the issue of your guilt or innocent of your fraud. The penalty imposed upon you will be 20 years at hard labor in the federal system. Oh, by the way, we have the power, just like the Indian courts, to send you to prison, just like that, because I'm the controlling legal authority over my mining district. This is now a public notice. I'll be sharing this around. So your breach of your public duty is in breach, impersonating a judge with authority to sign orders. You have no authorities to sign orders. This is not signed by a judge. This is moot on its face. I hereby decide that you will a complaint will be filed with the Department of Interior to come and arrest you, because see, I'm asking them to be the trustee of the valuable mineral deposit land grant, and you got 574 pages of or so, and much more, of the covenants of the grant. What, do you not understand that this is a trust and there has to be a trustee? To you, clerk of the court, for fraud upon the court, upon signing a signature, impersonating a judge with the authority to sign, with jurisdiction to sign an order, I say you don't have jurisdiction to sign squat. And I don't care if you are an attorney, you're committing fraud. And if you are an attorney, you should be disbarred. Oh, and you should be stripped of your law degree. Have a nice day.